Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime, and today we have a Walgreens pickup order, so stay tuned. Alrighty friends, so I'm super excited today to share with you guys my Walgreens pickup order. This is my second time doing orders through Walgreens. The first time I did home delivery, which was pretty amazing. If you spend $50, you get free delivery, and that is such a nice benefit to have, especially if you live up north and you have bad weather and you don't want to go out and drive on, icy roads or whatever. You can do the delivery where they have it delivered through, I think it was FedEx. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure it was FedEx. And yeah, it's just a really great thing, and it's a free service. So like I said, today I did the pickup where you put the order in online, you pay for it, and then you can go and pick it up when it's ready, and it's usually done within 30 minutes. And I did it that way because there was one of the items that I wanted to get was only available through pickup. So that's why I did it this way. Otherwise, I would have had it delivered, excuse me, for free. But I hope you guys don't mind. I'm kind of working out of my light box this morning. I have my whole work setup ready to go to start my day, and I figured I would just hurry up and do this Walgreens haul for you guys because there's something in here that was such a great deal that I just couldn't wait. I didn't want to wait to share with you guys because I wanted to see if maybe one of you guys were interested in it, that you can go grab them before they sell out. So that's the reason why I'm hurrying up to do this Walgreens order haul. So I'm a little discombobulated this morning, guys. I just got up. That's why I got my coffee all ready to go. But all right, so let's see what we have here. And like I said, yeah, the 30-minute pickup. This is a pretty amazing service that they're doing, and it's very convenient. So let me get the first item out for you. The first thing I got was my melatonin. I used to take this years ago when I worked in banking, and I had, to get up early in the morning and stuff like that. So I needed to make sure I got a good night's sleep. And a lot of times I couldn't get to sleep right away, so I started taking melatonin. But then I hadn't taken it for years. I stopped taking it because now I work at home. So if I don't get to sleep right away, it's okay. I just, deal with it the next day. But I just found out that melatonin is really good for acid reflux and GERD, which I have, and I have been on a omeprazole prescription for a few years now, and I'm trying to get off of it. So I found out melatonin is very good for acid reflux and GERD. So I started taking this again, and I was just about to run out, so I went online to check out the prices, and Amazon prices were a lot higher than Walgreens. So I went on there, and they had a special on their supplements. They had, I believe it was $9.99 for a bottle, and I only do the 3 milligrams. I mean, I know they have higher dosages, but I figure, if I only need 3 milligrams, that's all I'm going to take. And so anyways, they were $9.99 at Walgreens, and they were buy one, get one free, guys. So I got these for $5 each, which to me is a very fair price, because I think on Amazon the cheapest I found it was $8 a bottle. So great savings right there. So this is the whole reason for my Walgreens order today. So great score on buy one get one free for $9.99. Alrighty, let me get the second item out. And the second item I got were the multivitamins. This is the one-a-day multivitamins. I've never tried these before, this brand, Walgreens brand, but I will say that they have pretty good reviews, and they are comparable to the Centrum. So I figured, hubby and I have been taking gummy multivitamins, and I know that they're really not great for you. They're just all sugar. So I'm trying to get wiser with my supplements. We were doing the multivitamins and the gummies, and then we were doing other additional vitamins that we thought we might need. And before I knew it, I had all of these supplements that we were taking every day. And basically, I want to get back to just one multivitamin and then my, my fish oil and stuff like that. And so to limit the amount of pills that we have to remember to take every day. So that's why we're doing this. So I looked at these, and these are 100 tablets, guys, and it's one a day. So that's a good 3 month supply. I got me one, and I got one for hubby. Have you guys taken these before? The 50 plus once a day? I'm curious to see how they work or whatever. But these were also on sale, guys. These were $9.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. So this was another score that I was able to find, which was, to me, a very good deal for 100 tablets. So I got these for us. And then the next item I picked was the Cascade Complete. You guys know that this is, I swear by this brand. It's the only dish tabs that I could use that actually get my stuff clean, my dishes clean. Otherwise, if I try and use a knockoff brand or any of the other brands, I have to run my dishwasher like 2 to 3 times to get my stuff clean. So I have to have Cascade. So I try and find it when it's on sale, and got the 78 tabs for, I think they were $19.99. But guys, the great deal about Walgreens is if you spend $50, I think it was $50. If you spend $50, you get 20% off. So that's what made the Cascade, such a great deal there. I think it came to like $15.99 for a big thing of the tabs or whatever. So that's a great thing. And I like this one because it's got the Dawn soap in there. So. And then the last item I got, which was the reason why I wanted to hurry up and get you guys this video out in case you were interested, was for the Purex. They have the 4-in-1, the Mountain Breeze scent, and it's got 21 packs in each, guys. And I don't usually buy this brand. Normally I get Tide or Gain. And normally the cheapest I've ever seen laundry packs is like $4.99, and that's if they're on sale or whatever. I don't know normally what these go for, but I know that $1.99 was what they were advertising. They said that these 21 packs are normally $8.99, and that they were on clearance for $1.99, guys. But the only thing is, you couldn't have them shipped to you. You had to go and pick them up. So with that being said, I wanted to hurry up and get this video out to you guys because, and then they had a max of 6. You can only get 6 of them, because I would have gotten more, because for $1.99, that's a great deal. You can't beat it for 21 packs, guys. 21 packs. So yeah, so that was a great score, and I couldn't wait to tell you guys, because if you are able to get them in your area, that is a great way to save money. And I did have one other item on my pickup, which was a birthday card for my son. His birthday is next week, guys. And normally I don't spend a lot of money on greeting cards because that they're so stinking expensive. But this one was a really good one. It was a pop-up musical one, and it was just so super cute. I was like, yeah, I'll put the money out for it. And of course they didn't have any in stock. So yeah, so that was a bummer. But yeah, that was the only thing in my order that I didn't get, and I think my order came to $51. $51.20 was my total order. And to me, that's a great deal, considering the Cascade, is super expensive usually, and the vitamins and everything. And then I got 6 different bags of the Purex So yeah, this was to me a really good deal. And I don't coupon, so you guys that get all of the Walgreens clippables or whatever, I don't know. I'm just starting to get back into, stuff like that, like CVS savings and Walgreens or whatever. So, but I'm sure you guys, if you guys are, big time Walgreens shoppers, you probably could get it even cheaper than I did, because I didn't have any like clippable coupons or anything like that. I just used the 20% off and whatever savings that they were offering, like the BOGO or the buy one get one 50% off. So yeah, guys, so I figured I would share that with you guys this morning, and let you guys know about it in case you guys were interested in picking some of this stuff up, especially the laundry detergent, guys. 21 packs for $1.99. So super savings in my book, as far as I can see, as far as savings. So I wanted to share it with you guys. So hope everybody's doing well. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share, subscribe so you can be notified the next time I put up a video. Like button, comment, subscribe so that you can be notified the next time I put up a video. I am in the process of getting ready to share with you guys another thread up 30-pound denim box. Super excited about that. That's my new thing, is the denim, guys. I'm doing really well with that, selling them online. I have, if you guys look back in my videos, I had a 4-box series on the thread up denim, and I have over almost $500 in sales on the jeans that I have listed. So to me, that is amazing, considering they only cost $200 to purchase, for the 4 boxes or whatever. So if you guys are thrifters or resellers, check those videos out. But I am going to be putting up a new video. I'm undecided if I want to put it up on here. Leave a comment down below. Do you guys like my my haul videos for thrifting? I know I've asked you guys this before, but I do have another channel. I have a thrifting YouTube channel that I could put these videos up on. But I try and share them with you guys because I feel like they're such a great way for people to make extra money, and a lot of people are hurting for money right now, so it's a great way to, do something where you can work at home, to try and do something for, to bring in extra money for your family. But leave a comment down below. Do you guys like when I put up the jean videos or the thrifting videos? Because like I said, I do have another YouTube channel that I could put it on, and but I'm just more active on this one, so that's why I pretty much put everything up on here and share it with you guys. Or I could put them up on both. I could put the video up on both channels. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. I'm kind of rambling now. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and as always, stay blessed.